Hello everyone, got a new item from the brand Xcartoys. They released a couple of these kind of boxes. I already did a review about one or two. This is definitely my favorite so far. It comes with a figure that is eating noodles on a chair. Really, really cool. Fantastic model. And look at the interior details. Hallelujah. What a fantastic car. Also with the curtains on the back and the side. Amazing. And now they released this one. And another one is on its way. A truck with bicycles. Let's see how we can take this out. So here we have the car, just a normal everyday car with a normal everyday couple. So it comes with accessories, camping site. Here we got the tent. Ski box. Let's see, we can take this out. Yep. And figures. And I think these figures are really well done. No facial details. Oh, she needs to see a doctor because she got some pickles on her ass. Yeah, looks really cool. Same for this dude, also pretty good details. Rucksack, also good. And two chairs. Okay, now let's have a look at the car. Suzuki Swift Gen 1 in 1/64 scale. I'm curious if this one also has a colored interior. Yep, there it is. Just a normal everyday car. Very good rolling wheels, rubber tires. Let's have a look inside. I don't see that much colored details. Let's have a look at the interior. No colored details for this sweet little Suzuki. Even the seat belts are there. Oh, I do think we have some color details. Or no. No, nothing on the dashboard. Also, no opening parts. A little bit of suspension. And we have a metal base with a silver exhaust. Yeah, fantastic. And if you put everything together, let's put it on here. There we go. So we got the car. I think we'll do the car in the back. Yep. And then the tent right here. Sitting in front of the tent. Dude right here. Yep, ski box. Top of the car. And the rucksack. Put it here. So yeah, you can decide if you glue it on the car. Yeah. Really cool set. Very cool if you want to make a photo. Very nice thumbnail. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Let me know what you think about this little sweet Suzuki Swift. And I think the accessories and figures are very well done. Thank you very much, Xcartoys, for this beautiful set. Have a nice day. Bye.